Hi, I'm Mike Siner, founder of Peak Marketing Service. If you own a business, you need a wow factor. You need an only factor. It's something that separates you from all of your competitors, something that is exclusive to you that they're not going to be able to find anywhere else. Today's video is to talk to you about our only factor. We offer something in terms of lead generation that you're not going to find from any other competitor. So if you want to learn how to get the best leads for the best price and where you're not going to be able to find them from anybody but us, I'd like you to enjoy our short video, our presentation of Peak Marketing Services Wow Story. Enjoy.
What if you could get better sales leads that were entirely exclusive to your company? What if your cost per sale could be drastically cut? At Peak Marketing Service, we use cutting-edge technology to make that possible. Using proprietary software, we use artificial intelligence to find buyers when and where they shop online. What is AI? AI is the simulation of human intelligence, processed by machines. It takes in billions of pieces of data per second, and through machine learning, it tracks people's online behaviors to find patterns that allow us to identify and target buyers in live time. How does AI work? You may know that AI is already being used by companies like Google and Tesla for self-driving vehicles. Siri and Alexa use AI to play music on demand, schedule appointments, set alarms, and operate lights and heat AC in our homes. Amazon and Facebook use it to accurately predict what we're interested in purchasing based on our online behavior. We've taken that technology and built a lead generation system to bring you the absolute best sales leads. Here's how it works. We start by placing a pixel on a website. Let's say Tom visits that website. We place what's called a cryptographic hash, which is a secure, privacy-protected digital fingerprint that lets us track Tom's online behavior. Using this AI, we use machine learning to build an identity graph on Tom. We know what websites he visits, what information he consumes, what keywords he's searching for, if he has a dog, an RV, does he own a home, does he like to golf? Let's say Tom finally makes a purchase. He buys a new Mercedes. We can look at all his online behaviors to find patterns that led up to his purchase. Of course, Tom alone is not enough data to establish patterns. So we look at hundreds and thousands of people that made a car purchase. Machine learning is where it looks at all this data for patterns that led up to the purchase. So for example, if we see consistent patterns where people searched for luxury auto insurance quotes, visited car reviews like Edmunds.com, or maybe looked at Kelley Blue Book values, we can then use that data to identify real buyers with extreme high accuracy. Once we have that list, we can then build lookalike audiences to target more prospects with great precision. It's these patterns that actually help us to get in front of them before they buy, and we only market to this audience. We can track what they're searching for, reading, watching, sharing, posting, or buying. We use this data to build identity graphs that tell us everything about your best prospect. We know Tom's location, age, place of employment, home value, if he owns a pool, owns a business, if he's a veteran, or if he's a pet owner. Facebook, Google, and other tech giants have all of this, but advertisers only get access to limited amounts of their data. But with Peak Marketing Service, you'll have access to information that is extremely hard to find and would cost millions to build yourself. We are a lead generating machine. You won't find a more qualified lead for a better price. That's our wow factor.
That's digital marketing in the modern age.
For more information, visit www.peakmarketingservice.com.